पूछो जाके उनसे जिन पे रोशनी नहीं, पूछो जाके उनसे कैसी लगती है कमी।
Yeah, so hello everyone. Welcome to the Opto Hub. Nigat Shadab this side. I welcome you all to the Opto Hub, a platform of interaction, learning, growing, and glowing. So in today's session, you will get to know about dispensing optics by Paula Mukherjee ma'am. She herself is a masterpiece. You guys already know about her very well. So we have already learned about terminologies and basis of dispensing optics. Now in today's session, we will learn about troubleshooting, cases, and art of dispensing. Make sure to mute yourselves. You can print down your queries in the chat box, which will be collectively discussed at the end. And rejoin with the same link when the session ends. And please don't forget to join our Telegram group for case discussion, quiz, and next session updates. Welcome to the Opto Hub, everyone. Welcome to the Opto Hub, ma'am. Thank you so much. Please continue. Over to you now.
Thank you. Thank you very much. So next. Okay, so it should be impact resistant and UV protected, the lens thickness, right temple style, spring hinges, and ho sake to pantoscopic angle should be minimum. So for pediatric dispensing, these are the things which you should remember, right? Okay, so okay, now according to you, which frame is better fitting? Picture 1 or picture 2? Who is answering?
Ma'am, picture 2.
Good. So this one, right? So you have understood, right, that how it should be basically. Now, because inco the plastic frame, you see the your bridge size जो आपका ये बहुत छोटा है, it is sitting almost here, and this frame, the size is smaller, his head is actually bigger, that is why, and इसको spring भी नहीं है, ये सारे problems है इस frame में. So instead, for this kind, we have selected a metal frame जिसमें adjustable nose pads है, and then this has a proper bridge, and then this, see this size with a spring hinge. So this definitely is a better fit. Okay. Okay. Now for progressive addition lenses कैसा है? We need to keep minimum vertex distance, adequate pantoscopic tilt, because pantoscopic tilt अच्छा रहेगा. So what we will get? We will get a better reading portion. Sufficient vertical depth in nasal portion of the frame. But why vertical depth? Again, for giving the proper corridor length so that the drop is uniform and then the person does not have a problem with the intermediate. And minimum face form angle. फेस फॉर्म जो एंगल होता है या फेस फॉर्म रैप होता है, प्रोग्रेसिव लेंसेज में हम फेस फॉर्म बहुत कम रखना चाहते हैं. वी विल नेवर गिव समथिंग व्हिच इज लाइक दिस. वी विल ऑलवेज गिव अ फ्रेम व्हिच इज फ्लैटर, व्हिच हैज वेरी मिनिमम फेस फॉर्म रैप. क्यों? व्हाई? बिकॉज इफ देयर इज अ रैप, देन व्हाट विल हैपन? योर सिलिंड्रिकल पोर्शन और द अनवांटेड पावर वो आपके आंखों के नजदीक आ जाएगा, आपके पेरिफेरल विजन में आएगा. तो आप क्या होगा, आपको ज्यादा हेड मूवमेंट करना पड़ेगा, राइट? सो आप बताओगे कि ओके ये स्पेक्टिकल हम दे रहे हैं so that you have proper, you know, comfortable vision in all distances. You do not need to change your spectacle and all, but then you have not asked this person, or you don't know that this person is loves driving. ठीक है, तो अभी आपने क्या किया? सो ड्राइविंग में यूजुअली हम क्या करते हैं? यूजुअली हम हेड को स्टैग्नेंट रखते हैं और हम आई को ज्यादा मूव करते हैं. ठीक है, बिकॉज हमें रियर व्यू देखना पड़ता है, सामने देखना पड़ता है, ऊपर वाला मिरर देखना पड़ता है, बट हम हेड नहीं मूव कर सकते, हमें आई मूव करना पड़ता है. ठीक है, तो इसमें क्या होगा, आपने अगर ज्यादा फेस फॉर्म वाला चश्मा दे दिया, सो ये बंदा क्या करेगा, हेड तो मूव नहीं कर रहा है लेकिन वो आई मूव कर रहा है, तो वो पेरिफेरी में सारा डिस्टॉर्टेड दिखेगा. तो वो आपके पास आके बोलेगा मुझे क्या लेंस दिया है आपने. So see, this is very small, this is a very small information, but you might have missed that this person moves head more or eyes more. This is also a nature basically. So, and it's important. So you need to be on safer side, it's very important that you give minimum face form wrap to progressive addition lenses when you're fitting progressive lenses. Okay. For sportswear, of course, you have kind of this will completely protect your eyes. You have to see base curve, your face form wrap, your impact resistance, scratch resistant, how much of UV protection the lens is giving. Is it a polarized lens? Is the frame a carbon fiber or a Flexon? All these things you need to see if you get to know that yes, this patient is a sports person. So all these things you need to see and then recommend. Special recommendations. So cellulose acetate versus carbon, titanium versus monar, thin film versus thick for adults, polycarbonate or Trivex versus glass for kids, tins versus polarized. So depend करता है कि आपका patient क्या use करने वाला है, उस पे आप recommend करेंगे what kind of spectacle lens material you want to give, what kind of spectacle frame material you want to give, what kind of enhancements you want to give, all these things depending upon the lifestyle of the patient. Okay, so now we have kind of done the fine art of dispensing. This is once the patient has kind of, you know, done, your clinic is done, you have done your refraction, you have checked all other, you know, you have done your slit lamp examination, everything is done. And then you know, okay, a pair of spectacle is good enough for this person, and then he comes out and then this part is over. Now, after dispensing, always it's not a, you know, one-time relationship. So you will have patients or clients coming back to you with kind of complaints and troubles. जैसे कि मैंने एक दो चीजें आपको बताई. Maybe very small things which we might miss in that entire 15-20 minutes of conversation. It can happen. But then when a patient comes with trouble or complaint, then we should know, you know, to find out where the problem is, and then we should give that solution. So here comes troubleshooting. Okay, so here how I have put it is the problem is here, then the possible cause, and then the possible solution. So these are few cases which I have also met, or maybe, you know, a lot of people, they while dispensing, they have kind of come across. So these are the common situations which might come across, and you need to solve them. Okay, so the patient is lowering the eye to see distance clearly. So what he is doing is distance को clear देखने के लिए eyes को नीचे कर रहा है, मतलब सर को नीचे झुका रहा है and eyes को नीचे कर रहा है, ठीक है? So what can be the possible cause? So this is a progressive lens troubleshooting. Okay. Now what can be the possible cause? The fitting cross is too high. तो आपका अगर fitting cross too high है, तो distance definitely आपका ऊपर चला जाएगा. आपके line of vision से fitting cross अगर ऊपर है, तो फिर definitely you will have that problem. So what can be the possible solution? Again, first, okay, so before I start troubleshooting, I want to give you a tip. If a person comes to you with a problem, the last thing what you should check is your refraction, because we are, at the end of the day, we all are optoms, and we should be very, very confident on the refraction part, right? So the first things which should come into our mind are the small fitting things, you know, fitting problems. If we cannot solve through them, then we touch the refractive error. I mean, we say that, okay, we will do a retest. पहले ही, you know, डर के या फिर, you know, life situation में ऐसा होता है. If a patient comes howling to you that, नहीं, I spent so much and then I can't see clearly. The first thing, what, okay, please come to the clinic, I'll retest. That should be the last option. Okay, so this is how you should, when you come out and start practicing, this is how you should. Okay, so possible solution, what you can do in case the fitting cross is higher, adjust the nose pad to lower the fitting cross. So आप कैसे करेंगे? ये live demonstration होता तो ज़्यादा अच्छा होता शायद, but try to understand. Okay, so आप क्या करेंगे? अगर metal frame है तो nose pad को थोड़ा side में shift कर देंगे so that it comes down. ठीक है? तो adjust the nose pad to lower the fitting cross if the fitting cross is high. So ऐसे आप कोशिश करेंगे. Again, if the fitting cross is too high, remeasure the fitting height and reorder the lens. So suppose आपका पहला वाला solution जो है वो काम नहीं आया, then you have to check the कि कहाँ fitting cross exactly problem हुआ है, then take the refitting and then reorder the lens. Okay, I don't know, but there's a process of remarking the progressive lens. That's again a practical thing, but maybe we can try sometime. I don't know, maybe Vibha can teach you that, but it's very interesting how to remark a progressive lens. So that is a very important thing which you should know. Okay, so आप पूछ लेना एक बार विभा से. Okay. So second वाला problem ये है कि distance vision is blur through the central portion. So again possible causes क्या हो सकता है आपका, again fitting cross is too high क्योंकि distance portion blur है, मतलब हो सकता है कि आपका जो distance portion है वहाँ वो आप देख रहे हो आपके कॉरिडोर से जहाँ पे आपका intermediate power है, तो definitely आपको blur दिखेगा, और your distance refraction is incorrect. So ये दो possible causes हो सकते हैं, ठीक है. उसका solution क्या कर सकते हो, again adjust the nose pads. Now why I was telling जब हम progressive fitting के बारे में बात कर रहे थे that a metal frame is always safer because of all these. Plastic frames को ना आप इतना जल्दी और इतने conveniently you cannot do the adjustments. It's a little difficult. So इसीलिए it is always better कि first preference आपका ऐसा frame हो जिसपे nose pads हो. So nose pad से आपके बहुत सारे problems solve हो जाते हैं nose pad adjustments से. Okay. 1 minute. Okay. Fine. So adjust nose pads to lower the fitting cross if the fitting cross is higher, जैसे कि हमने पहले किया. If the fitting cross is too high, again अगर पहले से नहीं हो रहा है, then either you reorder or you recheck your prescription. मतलब obviously reorder करने से पहले definitely you should recheck the prescription because that might cost you. So before ordering for a new pair, you should always do your recheck your refraction. What happened? Okay. Third, distance vision is clear in the center but blur into the periphery. तो इसके possible causes क्या हो सकता है? Larger vertex distance. Fine. Or lens has soft design which has distortion in the distance periphery as compared to high design, or maybe initial adaptive symptoms, or maybe wrong base curve selection. So ये चार possible causes हो सकता है if the distance vision is clear in the center but blur into the periphery. Now again इसमें आपको एक चीज और देखना है कि head movement ज्यादा है या eye movement ज्यादा है, जैसे कि मैंने पहले कहा. So with progressive lenses, now you have lenses which do come with all these parameters, but it is always safer to ask the patient initially. जब आप पहली बार किसी को progressive दे रहे हैं या you are changing the design, it is always safe to ask the patient to move the head rather than the eye to see something. जैसे suppose अगर आपका patient है और आप बोल रहे हो कि आपको right या left देखना है, so you, for initial adaptation, to get adapted to the lens design, that which portion is for what, you ask that patient to move the head and see that object rather than moving the eye, because that will help the person to understand that, okay, this is my range. Okay, so these are very important tips which you should tell the patient while dispensing. So इसके possible solutions क्या हो सकता है? Okay, if it's because of large vertex distance, you try to reduce the vertex distance. कैसे reduce कर सकते हो? आप थोड़ा सा face form wrap दे सकते हो, ठीक है? आप nose pad adjust कर सकते हो, ठीक है? These are very small adjustments, and vertex distance बहुत ज़्यादा difference नहीं करेगा until and unless it is a very high prescription. Okay. If it's the problem is in the design selection, then of course you need to change to a different design. You have multi-design also. So that I think maybe you can ask the company which company you have given. You can connect with them, tell this problem, and then consult with the expert and say that, okay, this design is not working. So according to you, what kind of a design you have which will work. Again, if it's adaptive symptoms, as I said, then you need to counsel the patient. So for any kind of superior dispensing, if you are giving anything which is expensive or different than normal, then you need to spend some time counseling that patient, because you know that though this is helpful for that person, but it has a different process of adaptation. So wo adaptation time, because this happens, I have seen lot of times the salespersons, because optoms don't take interest in this, the salesperson, they make mess. They will say आपको सब कुछ दिखेगा, आप ये लेंस ले जाओ, 25,000 का लेंस है, आप ले जाओ, सब दिखेगा. दूसरे दिन पेशेंट आके मतलब he will kind of shout कि मेरे को कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है, you give my money back. That is not how you sell lens, sell basically, that's a wrong way. But here comes the part of you basically being an optometrist, because you know that what is what and you can counsel the patient, right? So yeah. Okay, if it's a base curve selection, it's again you have to reorder of course, so you have to select a proper base curve. Now, near viewing area too small or difficult in near vision. So patient को लग रहा है कि मुझे मेरा जो नियर एरिया है, नियर विजन का एरिया है, वो बहुत कम मिल रहा है, या मुझे तकलीफ हो रही है नियर विजन के. So what can be the possible causes? Again, large vertex distance can be a problem. Frame fit is too low. The patient has to raise the chin to see the near clearly. Fine. जैसे हम लोग usually कभी कभार bifocal users करते हैं ना, कि नीचे का portion देखने के लिए they will kind of raise the head and try to see through the नीचे का portion. So with progressive also sometimes they will do so. Okay. The lens again has a softer design which has distance distortions and can be changed to a so that can be again changed to a different design. Again, initial adaptive symptoms. So agar vertex distance large hai, you reduce. You can adjust the nose pads and try and raise the fitting cross. So fitting cross को थोड़ा ऊपर करेंगे तो क्या होगा, आपका near भी थोड़ा ऊपर आ जाएगा. So these are the adjustments what you can do. If there's an issue with the design, as I said, जैसे कि हमने पहले वो example लिया था कि अगर किसी को बहुत साल bifocal पहनने की आदत है, उसको अचानक आप soft design देंगे तो उसको तकलीफ होगी. You should give hard design. So that kind of a change. And of course, if it's initial adaptive symptoms, then you have to counsel the patient. Has to hold the reading material to one side to see clearly. मतलब patient को सीधा नहीं दिख रहा है, थोड़ा रीडिंग मटेरियल को दूसरे साइड में पकड़ना पड़ रहा है, so that the person is able to see clearly. So इसका possible cause definitely is your PD is fitted wrong. Fine. So you need to again recheck the monocular PD and refit the new lenses, because progressive में as I said that both the lenses are made separately because the designs will be different. So अगर एक साइड में problem हो रहा है, मतलब definitely your monocular PD is taken wrong. Intermediate area is not enough. The patient is coming and saying that मुझे मेरा computer screen पूरा नहीं दिख रहा. तो उसमें भी the problem can be that your PD is wrong, or again a larger vertex distance. Fitting heights are incorrect. Again, the design can be a problem. So design in the sense आपने smaller corridor या narrow corridor design select किया है उनके लिए. Maybe during counseling or during taking history you have forgotten to ask कि screen time ज़्यादा है या फिर ज़्यादा time computer पे बैठता है, तो फिर आपने initial starting के लिए आपने hard design दे दिया है. So उसमें definitely your intermediate is very less. So these can be the possible causes. Solutions, the solution can be again PD ठीक करना है आपको, vertex distance reduce करना है, adjust the frame and shift to a soft design. Okay. Swim effect at the periphery. Now swim effect usually with progressive lenses definitely there will be there, because आप side का जो cylindrical है unwanted power है वो आप पूरा नहीं हटा सकते हो. You can always softer them with new technologies. But still if there is a swim effect, then again vertex distance, large vertex distances can be possible cause. Near addition is increased than earlier specs, hence the increased distortion. Now क्या होता है, suppose आपके पास so if you see the progressive lens, उसको हम कैसे real life में हम उसको कैसे ये करेंगे view करेंगे. Suppose आपने एक plate लिया है, ठीक है, एक plate लिया है और उसमें sand है, और आपको कहा है कि वो सैंड में आपको एक टनल बनाना है, लेकिन जो सैंड है वो गिरना नहीं चाहिए। जो एक्स्ट्रा सैंड आप टनल बनाएंगे, जब उसमें से आप टनल बनाएंगे तो वो सैंड आपको रिमूव करना पड़ेगा। जो वो रिमूव करेंगे वो सैंड, उसको आपको प्लेट के नीचे नहीं गिराना है, आपको प्लेट में ही रखना है। तो आप क्या करेंगे, जब वो टनल बनेगा तो जो एक्स्ट्रा सैंड है उसको आप साइड में रखते जाएंगे, राइट। सो दैट इज हाउ प्रोग्रेसिव बेसिकली इज एक्सप्लेन्ड। तो वो जो एक्स्ट्रा सैंड है दैट इज योर डिस्टॉर्शन, ठीक है। तो हम जब डिस्टेंस इंटरमीडिएट और जो नियर है वो जो हम पावर कर्व करते हैं, तो जो रेसिडुअल पावर है वो क्या होता है, वो साइड में चला जाता है, बिकॉज लेंस के अंदर ही रहेगा सारा पावर। सो दैट इज हाउ द डिस्टॉर्शन कम्स बेसिकली, ठीक है। सो क्या होगा, अगर आपका अचानक से अपने प्रेस्क्रिप्शन में सपोज नियर बढ़ा दिया है, एडिशन बढ़ा दिया है, देन इट कैन हैपन कि रेसिडुअल जो एस्टिग्मेटिज्म है या अनवांटेड जो पावर है वो, और सपोज आपने प्रॉपर लेंस डिजाइन भी चूज नहीं किया है, आपने रेगुलर प्रोग्रेसिव दे दिया है, उसमें ये प्रॉब्लम आ सकता है। द थर्ड प्रॉब्लम कैन बी लेसर फेस फॉर्म, उसके वजह से भी स्विम इफेक्ट हो सकता है, ठीक है। सो उसका सोल्यूशन है, यू नीड टू reduce the vertex distance. Okay, in case you have, so prescription, again you will not doubt your prescription, अगर चाहिए addition ज्यादा तो addition तो देना पड़ेगा। इसमें you need to counsel for adaptation, that again you need to move your head rather than eye, this is the best solution। and then अगर face form है तो increase face form। okay, so ये था trouble shooting, और भी होंगे ट्रबल शूटिंग, बट मैंने नहीं डाला है बिकॉज एनीवेज दिस इज गोइंग लॉन्ग, सो विल स्टॉप हियर। और किसी को कुछ ट्रबल शूटिंग है या आया है तो कैन ऑलवेज टेक्स्ट मी, आई कैन ऑलवेज ट्राई एंड गिव द सॉल्यूशन। सो विल डू सम केस स्टडीज एंड आई वांट समवन टू आंसर, ठीक है। ओके, सो केस स्टडी आप सबके पास है। 24 ईयर मेल, आईटी प्रोफेशनल है, प्रेस्क्रिप्शन है आपका -3, लेफ्ट आई है -5 विथ -1 सिलेंडर। आपके हॉबीज, उनके हॉबीज है स्विमिंग, साइकिलिंग, कार ड्राइविंग, पार्टिंग एट द नाइट इन वीकेंड्स। सो ऐसे पेशेंट को आप कौन से स्पेक्टिकल ऑप्शन देंगे? ओके, नाउ वन मोर थिंग, you should not always stop at giving one option, क्योंकि it is never enough कि एक चश्मे में आपका सारा नीड सेटिस्फाई हो जाएगा। जैसे we have different dresses for different occasion, different shoes for different occasion, we will need two to three pair of spectacle for different needs. One spectacle cannot cater all, ठीक है। So the case study what we will be doing, I give you a liberty to choose 2 spectacles for each, ठीक है। So आप बताओ कौन से options? Okay, so Shahid is writing full frame, okay,
plastic frame,
okay, IT professional है, okay, come on
ma'am. As per the hobbies, swimming, cycling, car driving, ma'am, polycarbonate will work good with ARC.
okay, that is the lens you are saying?
Yeah ma'am,
but lens पहन के swimming कैसे करेगा?
yeah ma'am, one is saying plastic frame with magnetic lens glasses.
Patient is coming to my clinic, I will try to give him 2 to 3 options. पहला ऑप्शन ये है कि because he is a young chap, young guy है, IT professional है, so इसको I will try to say okay कि आप half rimless ले सकते हो, इसको rimless देना will be a little edgy. If he does not want, सामने से अगर कोई बोलता है कि मुझे rimless चाहिए, then otherwise my suggestion will be either a full frame or a half rimless or a supra, ठीक है। lens will be definitely a high index, aspheric दे सकते हैं because what we need to do here is we need to match the thickness. see यहाँ पे -3 है और यहाँ पे you see you have -5 with -1, तो आपका एक साइड, आपका जो ऑपोजिट साइड है वो थिक होने वाला है, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे हम लोग एस्फेरिक लेंस चूज करेंगे टू मैच द थिकनेस, फाइन, ओके, नाउ कम्स हिज हॉबीज. सो उसका जो जॉब रोल है वो सेटिस्फाई करने के लिए वी विल टेल हिम दैट यू गो फॉर फुल फ्रेम ड्राइविंग, पार्टिंग एट नाइट. सो ये दोनों चीजें उसके क्लियर लेंसेज के साथ केटर हो जाएंगे. ठीक है. Of course, you have because we are not discussing contact lenses. Definitely, contact lenses parting at night in the weekends. You can definitely give disposable lenses, but we are not doing that right now. That can also be an option. But अगर सिर्फ फ्रेम पे रहे तो that is one. उसका दूसरा वाला है swimming and cycling. So उसके sport activities के लिए what we can do is we can tell him that you can get your powered sunglass. Sorry, your powered swimming glass. So powered swimming glass आपके special glasses में आते हैं. You can ask the lab to make something like that. ठीक है. और your car driving, cycling, ये जो उसके outdoor morning activities हैं. car driving of course अगर night driving है तो his anti-reflection spectacle will take care. In the morning what we can do is we can try and give him one powered sunglass option. So हम उसे 3 ऑप्शंस दे सकते हैं. ठीक है. एक्सेप्टेबल. मुझे मैग्नेटिक टिंट पता नहीं है, क्या है मैग्नेटिक टिंट? Yeah, MR 1.67, I agree. Hydrophobic coating, yes. High index, all this is good. So guys, with bits and pieces mein you have kind of given, but these can be the different options given to this patient. Okay. Next, 30-year-old plus 10 diopter spherical plus 9 diopter spherical, squint from childhood, क्लर्क इन अ पोस्ट ऑफिस. सो इसको आप क्या ऑप्शन देंगे? सो पहले वाला जो था that was a person who was young with very active lifestyle. And this is a mid-aged person but is a clerk and has these problem. So इनको क्या स्पेक्टिकल ऑप्शन दोगे आप? ओके, अच्छा मैग्नेटिक ऑप्शन बोल रहा हूँ. ओके, आजकल वो फ्रेम ज्यादा मिलते नहीं है. ठीक है. दैट कैन आल्सो बी एन ऑप्शन कि आपने photochromatic can also be an option in that case if the person wants कि नहीं मुझे एक ही ग्लास में चाहिए, सनग्लास चाहिए, so photochromatic option भी दे सकते हैं आगे वाले को. Okay, so this one is full frame high index lenses. Yes, this person has to be given a full frame, plastic, preferably plastic, because इनका पावर देखो एंड स्क्विंट है. so इसमें विजन हमको नहीं मालूम है, but what we can guess is he will not have a very 6/6 vision. He might be having little less. So in that case, rather than fancy spectacle, it is better to give a sturdy spectacle frame which can hold these high powered lenses. ठीक है. क्लर्क है पोस्ट ऑफिस में, so बहुत ज्यादा एक्साइटिंग लाइफ शायद नहीं है. so yes, full frame, plastic material, high index or aspheric. But then again, yes, he's a clerk in a post office, so we need to also see the financial ये. ठीक है. तो अगर because high index है, aspheric lenses है, ये सारे expensive आएंगे. so what minimum what we can do is maybe we can because we know from the lifestyle that clerk है, so बहुत ज्यादा active lifestyle नहीं है, we can try and give him a glass. Okay, a high index glass will cost lesser than high index plastic. So maybe somewhere between a 1.7 or a 1.8 glass with a full frame with anti-reflection coating. So that can be an option. Okay, and if we can of course afford, then yes, why not high index with aspheric. Good, very good.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, one eye patient, 45-year-old. So he's a presbyope. ठीक है. Owns a stationery shop, likes to go for morning and evening walks, प्रेस्क्रिप्शन इज -2 विद एडिशन 1.25. इसको कैसा स्पेक्टिकल ऑप्शन दोगे आप?
Guys, please write your answers in the chat box.
Come on.
Ma'am, please move to the previous slide.
Previous slide.
Yes, ma'am. Is there another question, I guess?
Sorry. Okay, yeah. कुछ आया रिप्लाई?
No, ma'am.
ये भगवान, क्या क्लास अटेंड किया तुम लोगों ने? ओके, सो
Ma'am,
नीदर
polycarbonate tenses with full or supra frame.
okay, full frame plastic material. Okay, so we need now,
Polycarbonate.
you all know that one eye patient है तो हमें one eye protect करना है. So yes, polycarbonate or a Trivex material is must for this patient. फ्रेम भी अगर हम पॉलीकार्बोनेट का ले सकते हैं तो बहुत अच्छा है. फ्रेम भी हमें अगर हम पॉलीकार्बोनेट का ले सकते हैं तो बहुत अच्छा है. अदरवाइज अ स्टर्डी मेटल फ्रेम और अ स्टर्डी प्लास्टिक फ्रेम शुड बी गुड इनफ. ओके, ओन्स अ स्टेशनरी शॉप, सो बहुत ज्यादा एक्टिव लाइफस्टाइल नहीं है, मॉर्निंग वॉक इवनिंग वॉक है. नाउ यहाँ पे एक ऑप्शन हम दे सकते हैं. ओके, नाउ वन आई पेशेंट है, वन आई पेशेंट को प्रोग्रेसिव नहीं देना है, वन आई पेशेंट को बाइफोकल ही देना है. ठीक है, और एक मॉडिफिकेशन हम दे सकते हैं, बिकॉज मॉर्निंग और इवनिंग वॉक पे जाते हैं. सो व्हाट वी कैन डू इज वी कैन ट्राई एंड ऐड अ फोटोक्रोमैटिक ऑप्शन फॉर हिम, मैक्सिमम दिस, उससे ज्यादा नहीं. ठीक है, स्टिल फोटोक्रोमैटिक ऑप्शन सोच के देंगे, बिकॉज अगेन वन आई पेशेंट है. सो विजुअली कितना यू नो वी नेवर नो दैट कॉन्ट्रास्ट में प्रॉब्लम है या उनको उस वन आई में वो वन आई कितना हेल्दी है, वो सब चेक करके देन वी शुड गिव द फोटोक्रोमैटिक ऑप्शन. अदरवाइज इट शुड बी अ वाइट लेंस, because power is not much. It can be somewhere you can select an index between 1.6 1.56 to 1.6. A polycarbonate is absolutely fine. Frame also polycarbonate. Bifocal, no, not Cryptop. D. Always try to give D. D will always have better reading. Okay, and okay, so this is good to go. So full frame plastic material polycarbonate D. This is the best option. Next.
Okay, ma'am.
Next is a 50-year-old female CEO of a company. Prescription वही है, बहुत ज़्यादा difficult prescription नहीं है. Hobbies है, kitty parties attend करते हैं, swimming है. Spectacle options क्या दोगे इसको? CEO of a company, हाँ?
Yeah, ma'am. Guys, please write your answers in the chat box, please.
Okay, good. Half rimless or full? Yes.
Half rimless or full rimless?
Yes, absolutely. पहले वाले क्वेश्चन में जिसमें वन आई पेशेंट है, वन आई पेशेंट को प्रोग्रेसिव नहीं दे सकते. नो.
Ma'am, rimless or progressive in this question?
Yes, perfect. Progressive?
Rimless.
Okay, इसमें तारा is asking why can't
Why,
we give?
ma'am, why we can't give progressive in why eye patient?
तो जैसे मैंने कहा कि वन आई पेशेंट है तो उसको प्रोग्रेसिव लेंस देंगे तो क्या होगा कि उनका जो फील्ड ऑफ व्यू है वो रिड्यूस हो जाएगा ना. ऐसे ही डेप्थ परसेप्शन नहीं है, वन आई है तो डेप्थ परसेप्शन नहीं है. फिर आप प्रोग्रेसिव दोगे तो साइड में जो डिस्टॉर्शंस रहेंगे उनको कितना उनका जो साइड में उनको विजन नहीं है वो साइड में देखने के लिए उनको कितना हेड घुमाना पड़ेगा. So that can lead to accident, right? We will not give any design which will strain his eyes or which he needs to adapt. In fact, I would say that if that person, because that person is running a shop, it is even better if you can give a separate distance and separate near to this person, because उनका खुद का शॉप है तो उनको बहुत ज्यादा नियर वर्क शायद नहीं करना पड़ रहा होगा, तो वो अपना एक रीडिंग ग्लास रख सकते हैं, उसमें भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. अगर उनको एक में चाहिए तो then the best option is giving a bifocal but no progressive. ठीक है, Okay, swimming class. Okay. Question here. Could you please explain again about Cryptalk and D? Okay.
Cryptalk and bifocal when to prescribe.
Swimming class use in swimming time and what? Okay. So could you please explain Cryptalk and D? So जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि the design of Cryptalk and D अगर आप देखेंगे, so Cryptalk has more image jump than D. And because D का जो segment होता है, it is flat on the top. So D always gives you a better near reading area than Cryptalk. But Cryptalk का एक advantage है because it is the design is upside down. मतलब उसका जो goal वाला portion है वो ऊपर रहता है. It is kind of less visible. So पहले क्या होता था ना कि ऐसे बोलते थे कि Cryptalk is less visible. So सामने वाले को ना समझ में नहीं आता है कि bifocal पहना है. But vision wise, a D will always give you better reading area. So that is why if the person is not using any bifocal, for the first time you are giving somebody a bifocal, it should always be D. But if a person is coming and you see that कि जो बंदा है वो already Cryptalk design use कर रहा है, उसको change करने मत जाओ, क्योंकि उसको change करने आप जाओगे ना तो वो problem लेके आएगा, because that person is used to seeing the way with Cryptalk, and then if you change, then there will be an adaptation time required. If you can't convince that person, then you have to change.
Ma'am, thank you so much for accepting our invitation and giving us so much knowledge about dispensing optics. And I'm really thankful to all the attendees for the cooperation. Thank you so much. You guys can leave the meeting.